Hello everybody and welcome to the 2020 Shell Eco Marathon virtual learning session with SOLIDWORKS.
We're excited to go over our 3D Experience platform sponsorship. That allows you as student teams to connect globally with your team members, all on the cloud from any device. It's a platform that gives your entire team access to a catalog of apps to design, simulate, inform, and most importantly, collaborate seamlessly on a single project, on a single platform. And with SOLIDWORKS sponsorship, it also unlocks loads of training content and help you get certified. And all of this helps boost your resume.
To find out more about SOLIDWORKS 3D Experience platform sponsorship, watch the full learning session on YouTube.